This is John Smart. He's responsible for sales at SolarWing, an emerging young company. SolarWing has developed a flexible photovoltaic foil which generates enough energy to charge smart devices like phones even when there's not much light. The company already had some initial success, and John now wants to impress new customers with his innovative product. John knows that Siemens is a leading provider in industry and infrastructure solutions. But how can he make the experts at Siemens notice his product? Apart from meeting by chance that people so often talk about, is there an effective way to submit his innovation to Siemens? In a conversation with his colleague Anna, he gets an important tip. She recently seen an innovation platform for suppliers on a Siemens internet page. John decides to give this a go. He searches for the Siemens Supplier Innovation Platform on the internet.
The Siemens Supplier Innovation Platform is an exhibition space for all suppliers, both potential and existing. Here, providers can exhibit innovative products which are of interest to Siemens. Like any exhibition, the Supplier Innovation Platform is also broken down into topics, which can change from time to time according to business requirements. John has quickly found a suitable innovation field for his product. The topics are further subdivided, so a targeted presentation can be made to the Siemens organization. To put forward his product, John needs to click on Submit Your Innovation Proposal now, either directly in the innovation field or via Start. First, John needs to register. This allows the supplier and Siemens to communicate in a secure and exclusive environment. As proof of registration, John receives a confirmation message. Now he can be certain that Siemens can get in touch with him directly and quickly. John now moves on to the actual product proposal. He logs onto the Supplier Innovation Platform and clicks on Submit Your Innovation Proposal now. Right away, John finds some more important tips for successfully proposing a product to Siemens. John enters his idea in the power electronics innovation field. If he's not sure at any stage, he can click on the corresponding help function, which is provided for each field. All entered and done.
John is happy. His innovation has made its debut in the Siemens exhibition. But what happens next? So John has exhibited his product solution on the Siemens Supplier Innovation Platform. Before his product presentation is published by Siemens, Siemens checks that all the details are correct. If anything's not quite right, John receives a message. This is Ingo. He's an expert at Siemens when it comes to supplying power in buildings. He looks at the product. Like Ingo, any Siemens experts with an interest can review the proposal, evaluate it, or send a contact request. Each proposal, which is published, can be seen worldwide for 36 months. Even though John isn't sitting at his exhibition booth around the clock, he checks the Supplier Innovation Platform regularly so he doesn't miss any messages.
He takes a look at his dashboard and sees that there are new actions in his account. John clicks on his published innovation proposal to see the new actions. Every proposal is rated. John's idea has been given 4.4 out of 5 stars by Siemens experts, and statistical data and comments can also be viewed. The comments field notifies him that Siemens would like to discuss with him in person. John has also received a contact request by email. If anything changes with SolarWing or John's proposal, he can add this also in the comments column at any time.
John has been invited to Siemens. Now he can share beneficial information with the Siemens experts. The first step is done. Whether it results in a business deal remains to be seen. John had the right idea at the right time. It's quite possible that John will be contacted by another area of Siemens business at a later date. Let's see the summary. Free of charge for providers and open 365 days a year. Every proposal is evaluated. Internal promotion of proposals which are of particular interest. Direct dialogue using the comments function. Log in regularly to see the latest status. No confidential information in the proposal or comments.